Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we discuss how to import Excel in QGIS. If you want to work in Excel using QGIS, so it is very important. So please like, share and subscribe my video. If any query, please write me comment. So let's start. Here is our QGIS and here is our Excel. We save Excel in CSV format. For save CSV format, we go to file and save as. We select here location. Here is our location and we select here file name and save as type. We click here and select here CSV and save. Yes, and after save we close it. After it we go to open data source. We click here and we select here delimited test and we select here file name. Click here and we select here Excel CSV file. After it we go to open. Our Excel is added here. You see here your Excel detail, all Excel detail, and after it you select here file format CSV. If you have other format, you select here as per your requirement. Our file is CSV format, so we click on CSV format. Geometry definition, here is our geometry definition. We go to geometry definition. If you have coordinate, so you click here point coordinate and you select x and y value. If you have not coordinate, you tick no geometry, and after it we add and we close it. Our Excel sheet is added, you see here. And if you want to see detail, you select it and go to open attribute. Click here. Here is all Excel attribute. Here is all Excel attribute detail. So our Excel is added successfully in QGIS. If any query, please write me comment, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching video. We see you next tutorial.